Today's video, I wanted to talk about Samsung versus conventional heat pump. This is a heat pump. What does that mean? It means it gains heat from the outside air, okay? It makes the coil that it uses to reject heat during the summer, it makes it colder than the outside air during the winter, thus gaining heat from the outside air. What's the difference? The difference is the amount of input versus the amount of output, okay? Let me give you a little bit of a rundown, a little example. This is a single stage unit. Together, this unit right here, during the winter time, if you turn it on heat, it's 70 degrees in your house, and you put your hand over the vent where the air is blowing, it's going to blow out about 20 degrees warmer air than the inside ambient temperature. So it's 70 degrees in your house, you're going to experience 90 degree heat. Now, since the body temperature is about 98, it's really not going to feel that warm to you. So you're going to think, nah, but this unit right here, this conventional system, has something called heat strips, okay? Supplemental heat strips. They pull double what the electricity consumption of this unit actually is. So when it gets below 40 degrees, this unit is not going to be energy efficient. The difference between conventional and Samsung is this unit will blow about 60 degree warmer air than the inside of your house. So you got 70 degree inside temperature, you turn the Samsung unit on heat, it's going to blow somewhere about 100 degrees. That's target before it opens its fan, and then it can reach temperatures up to 140. So this right here is very efficient. Why? Because I don't have supplemental heat strips, I don't need them, I work down to 9 degrees before I start to derate my efficiency, and I'm also, without heat strips, producing more heat than a conventional unit does by far, by bounds, okay? Get one of these Samsung units and use a 30 amp breaker for the whole entire unit. Get a conventional unit, have a 30 amp breaker for just the heat pump, and then you'll have a 60 amp breaker for the heat strips. So this right here is a very good example of why I offer premium products like Samsung, because they're an industry leader in the heat pump design, in the components that they utilize. They're aesthetically pleasing, they look good, and they perform well. If you have any questions about Samsung, I'm going to leave a link in the description to the website. Go there, resource, get the information you need, and if you have a dealer giving you a price on a new heat pump, ask for Samsung. Alright, this is Tad, Fuller Heating and Cooling, giving you a tip on heat pumps. Thanks.